We're going to the beach and she's
Getting lunch.
getting lunch because she has IV. We are on the bus now. It's somehow a 4-hour walk when we first looked, but we realized that we had to take a taxi or a speedboat after the bus. So we'll update you guys later. We're going to the dock right now. The weather is so nice. I'm so happy we just got our food as well. And change of plans. We're going to another beach. Insert picture. Oh, oops. Walked to the wrong dock. Anyways, we're going to another beach because the other one that we wanted to go to is literally a 2-hour hike there and back. Like, no, 4 hours there and back. So we didn't want that. We found fish. What? No. Literally fangirling right now. Guys, we made it. It's so pretty. Oh, just recorded on slow-mo for a good minute. Anyways, we just took a lot of pictures and now we're gonna eat our zukma and enjoy the view and go swimming later. See you guys in a bit. Okay, go. We try to do like a mermaid kind of vibe. Wait, I'll just show you guys. Yes! And then 3, 2, 1. Move your toes. We're currently going behind the rock to take some cute pictures, and we're going hiking. Not hiking, like there now. Update you guys later. Hydrate or dihydrate. Anyways, we got an umbrella. Why didn't we think of this earlier? Like literally 3 hours ago. But now we have an umbrella and we're gonna stay here longer until like 5. We took a lot of hot pictures. Just kidding. Actually, yeah, we're hot. We took a lot of hot pictures. We'll insert some here if they're appropriate. We're walking back now. Literally changed in public. No, not change in public. I mean, yes, change in public, but we were covered. Such an eventful day.
Very PG.
Yeah. We're in a Thai restaurant now. These transitions are not it. Sorry, I look so crusty right now, but I look so real though. This lighting is not it. Anyways, it's really cold in this little place because it's a little room and the AC is blasting. She put on her tank top for support over her other tank top. But we're about to have pad time, so excited. Okay, next clip when the food comes. The coconuts have arrived. Why is mine not coming? There. Yay! Sorry, really bad angle. We made it back on campus before 7, which is like quite surprising. It's like quite early. We have 2 hours before check-in and to take a really relaxing self-love kind of shower, hopefully without bugs. Anyways,
Only in vlog 1.
Only in vlog 1. Gonna end the vlog now. Bye guys.